everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Concept. I am Sana and in today's video we are going to learn basics of ServiceNow in very simple way. If you are a beginner, fresher or preparing for the interview, this video will help you to understand what is ServiceNow and why companies use ServiceNow. Okay, so in our channel we have also uploaded the previous videos for ServiceNow like update set, merging of update set and other video. But from now, we are going to start a ServiceNow series, end-to-end ServiceNow series, like from basic to expert. Also, we are uploaded ServiceNow scripting series in our channel. So do check that. And from today, I am trying to upload at least 2 or 3 videos per week for this. So let's start. What is ServiceNow? So the first question is like what is ServiceNow and why companies are using it? So ServiceNow is a cloud-based platform mainly used for managing IT services and business processes. Okay, so inside the ServiceNow we have like different modules. It helps you to automate the process. Like instead of doing all things manually, like through mail, Excel sheet, the company uses ServiceNow to make work faster and organized. So in ServiceNow we have different modules and like we are easily maintain our work, easily maintain our daily work in ServiceNow. Actually, ServiceNow is a cloud-based thing, so we can easily manage from anywhere, anytime, easy. So we have incident management, change management, request management, security operations, HR services, different types of module in ServiceNow. Like now, why ServiceNow is popular? And why company prefer ServiceNow? So because ServiceNow provides the automation, easy workflow management, better tracking, faster issue resolution, user friendly interface, and many top companies use ServiceNow for ITSM, GRC, HRSD, custom application and other modules of ServiceNow. So the important module, like very important module, is ITSM. Okay, so ITSM stands for IT Service Management. It includes processes like incident, problem, change, and request. This module helps IT team to manage issue and service properly. So this is very important module in ServiceNow. Like this is the basic module. After that, you have to like learn different module. But this is the very basic module and important module in ServiceNow. So let's start with like how to log in ServiceNow, like how we create your PDI. Okay, so let's jump on that. For logging to the PDI or creating new PDI of ServiceNow, just search ServiceNow developers and you will find the first website. Clicking on this, you are able to sign in with your existing account, or you will able to sign in like you are able to get a new account. Okay, so if you want new account, just click on new user and fill all the details and your account got ready. Okay, so already I have an account, so I'm just clicking on next, adding my password. So this is the home page of ServiceNow. So from here you will able to click on start building and you will see your PDI page. So meanwhile my instance got ready. Meanwhile we can check this, like this is the home page of ServiceNow that I will show you. And the next one we can learn it. We have ServiceNow documentation for all the modules. We have ServiceNow guides for all the modules. Like you can learn each and everything, like why that module is used for and why we are able like, so so if you click on manage my instance, you will see this is the Zurich version. This is the current version of my PDI. And you can also see the URL, username and password, what is the user role, you will able to see. So yeah, this is the Zurich version, and the current version of ServiceNow is Australia. I will also cover all the points how we can upgrade the instance from lower version to higher version. So let's check our PDI is ready or not. So yes, my PDI is get loaded, and just click on all. This is an application navigator. We can pin this module and you will see this what all things are in the ServiceNow. We can create favorites, we can check history, and also we have one more option is workspace. I will cover this all later, and just check for the modules. So this is the home page of PDI, and here is the application navigator. You will find all application module under this. All the application module are available in ServiceNow. Like this is the default modules. Okay, this is the application scope. From here we can change application scope. So as of now, the scope is global. And also from here you can change the update set. You can add new update set. So as of now, our update set is default update set, which is system generated update set. So the first, we are starting from very basic table, which is table. Okay, so inside the table we have store all the ServiceNow table, all the ServiceNow modules. Okay, you can search it from the label. Yeah, you can search it by the table name or the backend name of table. These all things we have covered in the previous ServiceNow video. I will put the link into the description. Okay, as of now I am writing the backend name of table, that is this DB object. And if you want to open that module on the same page, so you will write small list. Okay, and if you want into next page, you will write capital list. So it will move to the next tab. So this is the table we are opening. Inside this, all the module tables are gone stored. If you want to create a new table, you have to create in the sysdb object. This is the table list. Okay, if you want to create a new custom table, you will click on new, or you will find all the out of the box table as well, custom table as well inside this table, inside this module. So I'm clicking on new to create a new custom table. So meanwhile it's open, we can see this is the backend name of table. This is the fields inside the table, and here the backend name of field is visible. Okay, so we can extend this table, or we can allow this table to extend with other table. So we need to click on extensible true. This is the checkbox, and this is the table which we make as the parent table. Suppose we need to extend any of table, like any of custom table with any other table, you have to add the table inside this extended table field. And we can also see this is updated, this is system generated field. Whoever can update this, the updated date and time will be appears here for the audit purpose. Yeah, this is the new form of table. We need to add label name of this table, custom table. Click outside. This label name will be appears. If you want, you can change this, and else you can keep as it is. So this is the extended table. Here you can find the reference of this table only, sysdb object. From here you can add all the references, all the extended tables if you want this table to be extended. See, these all are the list. See, this is the table only which we are seeing the previous one. So from here you can add the table you want to extend it. As of now, I am not extending this table. Okay. So here create module. Now what is create module checkbox? Create module checkbox is nothing but you can see in application navigator, you can see this modules. Okay. If you check this, the module will be created automatically. This is create mobile model. We'll discuss these mobile model thing later. So here you can see under the column, these are the three sections: column, control, and application access. So if we see application access, you will see like this is the public scope or this scope only. If you click on this scope, this table will be applicable to whatever scope you are selected. But as of now, we are selected to the global scope. We can make it as public. So here are some of the access control, like can create, can read, can update, and can delete. Here are the checkbox. This is the by default. Can read is there for all the scope, and allow access via web services. These are the rest services. Will discuss it later. Here you can see the controls like is extensible. This if this checkbox is checked, we can extend. Like if you create any of other table, this table will appear into the extended table list. If you click on it, if you check this, this is the live feed, and there is one more option, auto number. Auto number, if you check on the auto number, see the prefix is automatically created. The number having like yeah, from 1000 it will start, and from the number of digit means there are 7-digit numbers. You can change this if you want, and or if keep it as it is. So these are the rules. Like if you want to create a particular rule for this table, you can click on the create access control. This role will be created into sys role table, sys user role table. Okay. But as of now, I don't want to create any of role regarding to this table, so I will uncheck this. Now the thing, like when we add some fields to the table, you have to add it into a column section. So I'm adding it as something label. Okay, here is the column label. The inside type you can select the data type, like this field, whether it is string or number, whether it is reference field. You can see the list here. See audio, true and false, choice field, color field, all the things are visible here. So if we select string, so I'm selecting, as of now I'm selecting the string field and click on OK. If we select the reference field, we need to add the reference here, which table reference we are going to add. We can also check this, like suppose user, we need to add a username something. So you can select type as reference. Okay, and you need to give the reference for this table, which is user table. This user. Yeah, so you will see this user table. We have to give the reference of this table and click on OK. And to save this table, you can right click it and save. this table, or you can simply click on the submit button. So this table is now created. This is the custom table. All the custom table starts with u underscore, and if you need to identify what are the out of the box table, it starts with this underscore. Whatever it's started with this, it is a custom table. It is out of the box table. So this is the table module, and we are going to see user table. So in this table, all the users, all the ServiceNow user will be kept under this module. Okay, so here you can find the module of user, or else you can search with the backend name of user table. So sys underscore user underscore dot list. So it will open the list view of the sys user table. So these are all user list. If I open any of the user, you will see all the user details will add under this table. So meanwhile it's loading, we have user ID, name, email, like whether this user is active or inactive. With this field we can able to track that. This is two system generated field when the user record is created and when the user record is updated. You will find in this two fields. Yeah, this is the one of record where we are able to add user ID, first name, last name, or title if any, which department this user belongs to. For department, we have different table like for that stores all the department inside it. So this is the reference field which made in the sys user table. This is the department like a CMN department table field. Okay. So here, if the password needs to reset, you will check this checkbox. If we need to lock out this user or not able to uh, make it log into ServiceNow, so we can use this checkbox. So as of now, this user is active. Yeah, and other side you can see the email, languages, calendar integration, and other fields of this. And at the related list section, you can find the entitled custom tables. Like this is when the user is able tutor or the user is list here. The tables are visible here. Table list are visible here. If the user has any role, that role should be appear here. Is the member is any part of the member or any like group member of group, then it will this group name will be visible here. So these are the delicate details, uh, subscriptions, user client certifications, all the related details will be visible in the related list. You can find the related link as well in this table. We'll discuss it later because these are related, some related to integration, some are related to subscriptions, and here this related list is reset a password. So when we click on this reset password related related link, we'll able to reset the password of this particular user. So here we can select the process. Yeah. So as of now, we don't have any of selected process into this. So that's why it is not visible. Or we can also set the password with the set password button visible on the user form. Let me showcase you that. Yeah, this is the set password button. So here you can able to set the password for the user, generate it. Click on generate. Yeah, so password is generated successfully. If you want to save this password, you will able to click on save password and then close it. But as of now, I am not able to set the password, so I am just closing this window. So this is one more basic table, which is sys user table or user table. Now we are going to see the group module. So this is the label name of group, and we are searching with the backend name of group table. Sys user underscore group. Sys underscore user underscore group dot list. So it will shows the list of the group which are present into your system. So these are the list which are present in our system. These are the fields of the group like name, description, active, manager, and parent and updated field. Let me showcase you any one of group which is already exist in the system. Yeah. So you can see the name of the group, description. If you add manager for this group, you can add a manager with this field. This is reference to a sys user table field. So you can easily select any of user as manager of this group. You can add email for all the group members and all the group. Okay, for the group. You can make this group as parent group, or you can able to add this group as a child group of any other parent. Yeah. And one more thing, these are the related list under the group like role, group members and group. So as of now, we don't have any of group members into it or any of the child group for this table, for this group. So see, this is the role which we have in this group. If you add, if you need to add a new role, you can able to click on the edit and the list of the role will be visible. From that you can select the role and apply to this group. Yes, you can search in this filter or apply the filter, or you can add by simply select one, and by this arrow you can add it the role. Okay, so as of now I don't adding any of role into this. I'm canceling this, and after add you need to save, click on save button. The role is added to this group. So we need to add members to the group. You can go to the related list of the this group member. You can create a new member, or you can able to create the existing user which is active. You can add it into this group. The same interface for adding the user to the group as we see in the previous for the role. Just click here and just add it, or you can double click here, the user will also add it. So let me save this. Yeah. So there is one best practice regarding to the role and user. So whenever we need to add the role to the user, don't add it separately. Just we can add the member to the group. Already the whichever roles are in the group, that able to assign it to the existing user. Just click on this user. We'll check this role, analytics admin role will be added to the this user with whoever the member of this group, existing group. If you see, yeah, 19 roles are there, and you see this analytics admin role will be added to this group. And you can also see the this group is also here. like analytics setting manager, which we are added this user to this group. So these are the three things like table, user and group. There is one more thing is role. We'll show you the role table as well. I'm writing here the backend name of role table, sys user role dot list. So it will shows you the list of role which is existing in your table, or sorry, in your PDI. So all the roles, there are 820 roles are there. If I open any of the role, you will see in such field such as role name, description or elevate privilege. Now, what is elevate privilege? Elevated privilege is nothing but an it is used for the security admin purpose. Now, if we need to add you or this role will be having the privilege of the security admin or not, we can able to identify with this field. This is the checkbox field. I will show you. This is the checkbox field. If I check this, this role automatically inherit the security admin role, and if I assign some user to this access analyzer admin, this role, it will able to add the one more role which is elevate security admin role to the users. So what is security admin role and security admin role, why we use this role, we'll discuss it later on the next video. So stay connected with us for more interesting video and for more learning videos of ServiceNow. Stay tuned. Bye bye.